In this step-by-step video, we're going to walk you through subscribing and connecting your fully automated trading bot to your Binance exchange for futures trading. But please note, both Binance.com and Binance.us are part of the same ecosystem. However, United States IP addresses are directed to use Binance.us, which is specifically designed for residents of the United States. It was created to comply with U.S. regulations and offers a more limited selection of cryptocurrencies compared to its global counterpart, Binance.com. Well, let's connect your trading bot. First, go to Automated Trading homepage, scroll down to Subscribe to Bot, and click on Subscribe to Bot. You'll be directed to the pricing page. You can either go monthly, quarterly, or annual payments, and then click on the Logic Pro Auto Trader for Binance Futures Trading. Then you're going to be directed to the registration page. Enter your email address, enter your password, then click Register. Now, if you have already registered, you would have been directed to the login page. Now, you'll be directed to this page. This is where you will enter your API key, secret key, and Telegram ID, and we'll do this in just a moment. But for now, copy your IP address up near the top, and you will enter it in just a moment. Now go to Binance.com, and on the home page, either log in or sign up. Now, once you have logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Next, on the left side, click Account, then click on API Management. Now you're going to be directed to the API Management page and then click on Create API. Now you can choose your API key type. Click on the System Generated box, then click Next. Now you'll be directed to this page where you can write in your label IP key, your API key, or your nickname, then click Next. Now, please note, Binance will want you to verify that it's really you connecting your bot. So they will ask you to verify through the authenticator app, such as Google, and verify through your email. So please move through that process. Now, once you have completed your verification process, you'll be directed to this page. Here you will find your API key and secret key. First, click Copy on the API key and save it to a document. Then copy and paste your secret key on the same document and keep this document in a safe place should you ever need it. Now next, you're going to want to edit your restrictions. So go to the top of the same page you were just on and then click Edit Restrictions. Now, after you click Edit Restrictions, look near the bottom of the same page and click on Restrict Access to Trusted IPs Only. Next, remember that when we said earlier to save your IP address? Well, now you can enter that IP address. Then click Confirm. Now again, on the same page near the bottom, click Enable Futures. Now you're going to be directed to this page. Simply click Safe. Also, Binance will ask you then to go through an additional verification process, so move through that process. Now let's retrieve your Telegram channel ID, and if you have not downloaded Telegram, please do so at www.telegram.org. Now, once you have Telegram channel set up, type in the search area ID Bot, and under Contacts and Chats, then click ID Bot. Your Telegram ID will show up, so copy your ID and save it. All right, now let's go back to the automated trading page for connecting your bot. Now paste in your API key, your secret key, and your Telegram ID, and then click Submit. From there, you'll be directed to the checkout page of our website. Fill in all of your billing details, then review your order, and then add your choice of payment. Then check the box for terms and conditions, and then click Subscribe. You will be directed to this dashboard. On your dashboard, there is a related subscription section, and it should state Active, which means your automated trading bot is now active on Binance. Now, for your records, you should have received a confirmation of your order in your email box. Please check. Now, guess what? Your automated trading bot is now connected to your Binance account, so let's do some automated trading. And oh, by the way, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our automated trading team because we're here to help.